So today is February 15th. I am working on making sure that WhatsApp businesses, your WhatsApp business accounts show up, Instagram accounts show up, and your Facebook pages show up. Really here, this data is not showing up, and so I will make this work, and then I'll update you. So, as you can tell here, we now have my WhatsApp business information showing up. Here, I have a Polygon 86 WhatsApp account, and here's my test WhatsApp account. So, conversations will be where we'll see the conversation. Go back here and just kind of, set this up. So, the next thing is actually, partly it will be to make this UI a lot better. I want to connect it to conversations and make sure that those are set up well. And then I think we can go from there to just kind of being able to reply to messages. I think I'll wait for the conversation part until I have set up Instagram to show up here next. So I'm going to work on Instagram accounts showing up here and then Facebook pages. Each of them will have a section like this where it'll show an overview of what those pages, like what those accounts are, and then we'll add it, and then we'll have a conversation section for the Instagram accounts. I think what I'll have is overview, conversations, or inbox, and then since I have conversations, I'll probably just go with conversation instead of having to rename a bunch of things. And then there'll be a post, right? So Instagram and Facebook will have posts. Tabs here. We'll go with something like this where we have underlined tabs. I'll probably change that from purple to black given how bright the background is. So stay tuned, let me make that change. And voila. So I don't have any conversations actively, and I don't know why it's saying not verified here because this is actively working because we actively use that. I will update these as we go. I also want this to be larger. But the whole point of this video specifically is to show that we're connecting to WhatsApp businesses promptly now. So what I'm going to focus on next is connecting to Instagram accounts. This should be relatively easy. So I'm taking a break here, and so what I wanted to do was just kind of mention that I ran into some issues. I don't even think View Insight will work or manage workers. I'll clean this up. But for the most part, it's about what? It's about 4. So I need to take a break here. I realize why these two are not working. Simply because of the fact that we're using the same base API, which we shouldn't be, because all these, the APIs for WhatsApp, Instagram, and Facebook are handled differently. And so actually I think what I'll do is for each of those accounts, I'll have we'll see. I don't know what design I'll go with here, right? So you see how each of these business accounts have, if they had a drop down where they can show, this looks better. I think this works better. Where on the details page we have these tabs which you can go through instead of having it being here, making this a lot longer, making the sidebar a lot longer, I should say. And so so I'll be updating the API. I think I want to go eat actually and take a break here, just so that I'm not going on for spinning my wheels here. I can always feel when I'm running out of juice. So I'm gonna go get some juice. But when I come back, I'll be working on Instagram. So maybe next time actually you'll see this. I'll have Instagram accounts showing up here and Facebook pages showing up here. But for the most part, I think, the nice thing that I'm really thinking about working on is making conversations work or posting working. I kind of feel like making conversations work might be a better experience. Making the conversations work, because I need to set that up for a few of the businesses that I work with. So I think that's probably high priority. But on the other hand, Instagram Posts, I think those can be a lot simpler to set up and they have a wow factor. And so I'll probably think about which one to do first, and which one is probably the easiest to set up. Just because I kind of feel like most of them right now might not be so easy to set up, but we'll see. All right, so thank you so much for your time. You have a good one, and I will see you in the next one. Don't forget to you know do all that fun stuff like follows, comments, whatever. If you want, if you don't, then I'm cool with it. Either way, I'm looking forward to working with you on making this product work a lot better and setting it up to be great. So thank you so much for your time and have a good one. Ciao.